Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thumre. Today in this lecture we'll see what is unit testing. Before start with the actual unit testing, let us have the definition of software testing. Software testing is the process of executing a program or application with the intent of finding the software bugs. In this process, we are going to execute program with the intention of finding the software bug, or it is also defined as the process which is used to help to identify the correctness, completeness and quality of developed computer software. Software testing is a verification and validation activity where we are going to check the correctness, completeness and the quality of developed computer software. There are 4 levels of software testing. At first level, we are having unit testing where we are going to test the unit individually, independently with each other. Here we are going to consider a single component at a time and then we are going to perform testing operation on that single unit. At second level we are having integration testing. Here in integration testing we are having 2 or more components integrated with each other and then we are going to perform the software testing on that integrated module. At third level, we are having system testing where we are going to consider a full software or application and we are going to check the functional requirement, non-functional requirement, business requirement or any other requirement specified in SRS document. And at fourth level, we are having acceptance testing which is usually performed by the end user. At this level, we are going to test whether the software is accepted by, usable by the end user or not. Now, let us have the definition of unit testing. Unit testing is a software development process in which a smallest testable part of an application called units are individually and independently exercised, tested for proper operation. Here we are going to consider a smallest testable part from software which is known as a unit or module that we are going to consider independently and we are performing testing on that single module. Unit testing is an action which is used to validate that separate unit of source code. Here we are considering a separate unit of source code and we are going to validate whether that separate unit, individual unit performs correctly or not. It is also called as a module test because a single module considered at a time and we are performing testing on that module. It focuses on functionality of single module. Here, in case of unit testing, you can consider a single function as a unit. You may consider a single method as a unit. You can consider loop or statements from the program and you are going to check whether that function, method, loops and statements working fine or not. Unit testing, it is done usually before system integration. The main goal of unit testing is to isolate the smallest unit to check whether it behaves as expected or not. We are considering a single unit at a time and we are going to check the behavior of single unit, and we are going to check whether it functions correctly or not, whether the functions which are written in SRS document, whether it behaves same as per the requirement specification documents or not. Now let us have some benefits of unit testing. So unit testing helps to produce the high quality code because individual unit is going to be tested thoroughly during unit testing. It helps to find bugs early. Now, unit testing is the first level of software testing which is performed by the developer. So, the bugs are usually going to be found out early in the software development life cycle. It also facilitates changes and simplifies the integration. As the unit testing is performed before the integration testing, if there is any changes, any simplification required in a single module, then it is possible in unit testing. So it facilitates changes and simplifies the integration. Another one advantage is it makes the debugging activity easier and quicker, as we are considering a single module at a time. That's why the debugging process is easier on single module and also it is quicker. But there is one disadvantage of unit testing also, as we are going to perform line by line testing thoroughly during unit testing, so it is time consuming and also it is tedious operation because the same line of codes we are going to test multiple different times during unit testing. So this is what all about unit testing. Thank you for patience listening. Thank you.